Hello students, welcome to topuseducation.com. In this video we are going to discuss some of the quantitative aptitude problems in number systems. Today we will discuss some of the problems on divisibility test. Let us see, here is the first question, that is, which of the following is divisible by 3? Here they have given two problems and we should find whether which will be divisible by 3. As we already know that divisibility rule of 3 is a number will be divisible by 3 when the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. Let us check in these two questions, that is given 5, 4, 1, 3, 2, 6. In this, let us do the sum of all the digits, that is 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6. And the sum is 21. Here 21 is divisible by 3. So the given number 5, 4, 1, 3, 2, 6 also divisible. Let us check next one, that is 59670113. That is, let us do the sum 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3. And for this the sum is 31 and here 31 is not divisible by 3. So the given number 59670113 is also not divisible by 3. And this is the one of the problem. Here is the another question. Let us see here, what least value assigned to star so that the number 197 star 5462 is divisible by 9. Here one number is given and in that all the digits in the middle one digit is missing. So we have to find that digit. After adding that digit, it should be divisible by 9. Let us assume the missing digit is x. And we know that the divisibility rule of 9 is, if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9, then the number will be also divisible by 9. Now let us add all the digits, 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus, in place of star we will keep x, plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2, that equals to 34 plus x we will get. And here for 34 plus x to be divisible by 9, x should be replaced by 2. Here we know that 9 4s are 36. Here we have 34. So we should keep x as 2. Then only this 34 plus x will be divisible by 9. So x value is 2. X is 2, nothing but the required number is 1972546 and this is the required number. Here is the another question, that is, which digit should come in place of star and s if the number, that is 62684 star s divisible by both 5 and 8. Here one number is given and in that two digits are missing. So we have to find those two digits and the number obtained should be divisible by both 5 and 8. We already know that the divisibility rule of 5 is the unit place digits should be 0 or 5, and the divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So here, in order to divisible in 5, we should add either 0 or 5 in unit place. Since if we add 5 in the unit place, it will never divisible with 8. So we should replace it with 0. So the last digit is 0. 6, 8, 4 star 0. And it is divisible by 5 and 8. Now it should be divisible by 8, so the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Here we have 4 star 0. If it is divisible by 8, then we should add there 4, that is star equals to 4. Then only it will be divisible by 8. So the required number is 626840, and now it is divisible by both 5 and 8. This is the required number. Here is the another question, that is, if the number 342213PQ is divisible by 99, and find the missing digits P and Q. Here P and Q are missing digits, so we have to find that. Here given that this number will be divisible by 99. Here 99 is nothing but 9 into 11. Here this 9 and 11 both are co-primes. So the given number is divisible by both 9 and 11, and it should be divisible by 9 when the sum of all the digits will be divisible by 9. So let us add that 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus P plus Q equals to multiple of 9. Let us add this. We will get 17 plus P plus Q equals to multiple of 9. Here we have 17, and the next number of 17 is 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So here we should add P plus Q is 1, that is 18. And it is the 1, and the number that is divisible by 9 next to 18 is 27. So here for 27 we should add P plus Q equals to 10. 17 plus 10 is 27. So here P plus Q equals to either 1 or 10. It is decided by doing the process with 11 also. That is, the number is divisible by 11 if the sum of odd places minus the sum of even places should be divisible by 11. And now let us see them. That is, sum of odd places and even places. Q plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 minus P plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, that equals to 0 or a multiple of 11. This one we already know that. So now here 10 plus q minus 7 plus p equals to 0 or 11. Here we will get 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 plus p plus q equals to 0 or 11. That is, if it is 0, then we will get p plus q equals to minus 3. And if it is 11, then we will get p plus q equals to 8. Clearly, in the 1, and this is represented as 3, this is 4. And here this is 1 and this is 2. Now we will write 4 equations, that is p plus q equals to 1, p plus q equals to 10, p plus q equals to minus 3 and p plus q equals to 8. From these 4 equations, we clearly understand that if this one will be holded, then neither 3 nor 4 holds. So equation 1 will not be possible. And again also solving from 2 and 3, that is p plus q equals to 10 and p plus q equals to minus 3, then we will get p equals to 6.5. So it is also not possible. And now again by solving 2 and 4, then we will get p equals to 1 and q equals to 9. So it is possible, that is equation 2 and equation 4 is possible. And now the required number is 34221319, and these two will be divisible by 9 and 11, that is 99 also. And this is the one of the question. And now here is the another question, that is x is a positive integer and x square plus 12 is exactly divisible by x, and find all possible values of x. Here given that the x square plus 12 is exactly divisible by x, that is the number is that x square plus 12 by x, and here x is a positive integer already given. So now let us separate this x square by x plus 12 by x, and now x get cancelled. Now we will get x plus 12 by x. Here clearly the 12 must be divisible by x. So the possible values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the possible values that divide 12. So these are the required x values, and this is the one of the question. Here we have find the smallest number that to be added to 1000, so that the 45 divides that sum exactly. Here we have number 1000, so the number should be divided exactly by 45. What is the number to be added? Now let us do the division, that is 100 by 45. Then after doing this we will get remainder 10. So now in order not to get this 10, we should subtract from 45. that is 45 minus 10 equals to 35. So for this 1000 we should add 35. 1000 plus 35, that is 1035, and now it is exactly divisible by 45 and the number required is 35. This is the one type of model. Let us see the another one, that is what least number to be subtracted from 2000 to get that number should be exactly divisible by 17. Here we have the number 2000. Now let us do the division. A number should be subtracted from this 2000 and that number will be exactly divisible by 17. Now let us check. On dividing 2000 by 17, we will get the remainder as 11. That is 17 ones are 17 is here, 3 and 0 to be down, 17 ones are 17 again, here we will get 13 and 0 here, and now 17 sevens are 119, 11 is the remainder we have. So we should subtract these 11 from 2000, that is 2000 minus 11, we will get 19, 18, 9 and it will be now divisible by 17. And this is the another model, that is addition or subtraction of a number from a number to be exactly divisible by any number. And now let us see some of the problems are exponents and powers. And here is the another one, that is find the units digit in 264 whole power 102 plus 264 whole power 103. Here in these two numbers we have units digit as 4. So the required unit number for us is no need of these two digits. The required unit number is 4 power 102 plus 4 power 103. Now here 4 square gives unit digit as 6. 4 square will give 4 into 4, that is 16. That is unit digit is 6. And now similarly 4 power 102 will also give unit digit 6. And again 4 power 103 will be written as 4 power 102 into 4. That is 4 power 102 unit digit is 6 and into 4. Then 6 into 4 we will get 24. And we have the unit digit is, and now the required unit digit of given number, that is 264 whole power 102 plus 264 whole power 103. Here for this we will get unit digit 4. And for this we will get 6 plus 4, that equals to 10. And finally we will get unit digit as 6 plus 4 is 10. Unit digit is 0. And the required number unit digit is 0. And this is the one of the model. Here is the another model, that is find total number of prime factors in given number, that is 4 power 11 into 7 power 5 into 11 square. Here we know that this 7 and 11 is prime factor, prime number, and here 4 is not a prime number. So we should exchange it as prime number. So now 2 can be written as 2 into 2. We know that 2 is a prime number. 7 power 5 and 11 power 2. And now this can be written as 2 power 11 into 2 power 11 into 7 power 5 into 11 power 2. That equals to, it can be written as 2 power 22, 7 power 5 into 11 power 2. And now the required total number of prime factors is 22 plus 5 plus 2, that equals to 29. The total number of prime factors is 29. Let us see another one, that is division model on dividing 15,968 by a certain number. Then the quotient will be 89 and the remainder is 37, and we should find the divisor. We know that the formula to find the divisor, in the division we have dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Now to find the divisor, divisor equals to dividend minus remainder divided by quotient. Now we know that these three values, we should find this, that is 15,968 minus remainder 37 divided by 89. By solving this, the total we will get 179. So the divisor is 179, and this is the one of the division model, and these are the some other models in number systems. In the next video we will discuss another. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.